Getting your applications running with CloudTruth is easy with our CLI. The first step is to use our installer script to install the CLI in your platform. Next is issue a login command, which is going to allow us to get an API key from our web application. We'll generate a new token. Make sure to copy the token here, as this is the only time where you will have access to it. Provide the API key for the CLI login, and it updates the default profile, providing you access. From our local directory, we have a .env file. Let's import that .env file with the CloudTruth import command. And then use our CloudTruth run command to overlay our environment variables directly from the CloudTruth project we imported into. You could see that I've used the run command to print an environment and grep for our Flask variables that were just imported. Now we can call an application directly from the CloudTruth run command, and it will source those variables directly from CloudTruth. No need for ENV files.